If you clench or grind your teeth, especially at night, you may be suffering from bruxism. Hypnosis can help you to stop, to deal with anger, frustration, or stress better, and to express your opinions and emotions more appropriately so you don't need to grind. All hypnotherapy sessions are tailored to the individual. The treatment is between 1 to 3 sessions, spaced with 3 weeks between, when you would listen to the Stop Teeth Grinding MP3. You can buy this MP3 separately from my site. My name is Professor Ursula James, and you can find out more about me and what I do by going to my website.